Okay, so here is our finished Sunjoy 11 by 13 gazebo pergola cover for our backyard. We really wanted to get this backyard fixed up. We're going to be doing a garden over here. And anyway, we're going to sit down and tell you what we thought about this, about building it and just enjoying it. The first thing we had to do is get a 12 by 14 cement concrete slab put in, and yeah, we had this done at the end of October. We're releasing this in December, but man, you can build these anytime. And this is the box it came in. So we're just going to unload it and lay all the wood out on the slab, and then we're going to put all the pieces together. So I'll let you enjoy this fast motion video, and we'll tell you what we thought about it at the end. Okay, so this is the finished gazebo, and what I thought about it, it was really fairly easy to put up once you understood the instructions. Yes. The instructions were just pictures, and not all the pictures were absolutely correct, and some of them were hard to actually figure out. So that was the hardest part, is reading, you know, the pictures. And with Elizabeth helping, yeah, she helped tremendously in figuring out those pictures and what parts were parts. So guys, I highly recommend having a woman help you, or a female help you, because you know, we think differently, and it really worked out great. She got a lot of the parts together, and I did a lot of the actual assembling and, you know, bolting together. So
it definitely took a lot of teamwork to get this.
It was
together.
A lot of teamwork.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it works out really great. We've got our table under here, and we've got chairs around it. We've already used it for dining. We had a burger night here, and everybody sat out here, and it is a great addition to the backyard for sure. It's built pretty sturdy. The little crossbars up there, this side over here doesn't quite fit perfectly, and I really had an issue with that, but now that it's up, I don't even see it. I don't even worry about it. We do have it, I have anchor bolts in here to hold it. It seems to be pretty sturdy so far, and we're really enjoying it. We like it in the backyard. So.
Yeah, I definitely think it added a lot of value to the backyard. It's very nice visually when you first walk out and see that you see this, and people have come over and gathered underneath it, and if it's raining, it's protecting you from the rain, and you can sit out here and just enjoy the outdoors. So yeah, very much think it's worth the cost and worth the effort. Putting it together didn't really take us that long, and very enjoyable.
It took us 2 days. The longest day was the first day. The second day we had it all framed up. The second day we just put the roof up, and the roofing, it went up really nice. It, you know, lots of nuts and bolts, but like I said, it seems really sturdy. It doesn't make any noise when the wind blows, so I think we're going to get a lot of use out of this and really enjoy it. So.
Great investment for the backyard. Highly recommend it.
Yep. And that's what we thought.
Yeah, and that's what we thought. And now we just need to come up with some ideas to give us more privacy in the backyard. Yeah, so if you have any suggestions, please tell Kevin.
Yeah, I started putting up some lights around it. They're just hanging right now, but yeah, at nighttime these all light up, and it looks really nice out here. So we'll have a link below where you can find one if you're looking for one. And yeah,
a great addition to the backyard.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.